Hello everyone! I'm visiting Hamilton for the first time today. Sorry, I didn't realize my microphone was broken, so I'm going to do a voiceover instead. At this point, I was saying I was supposed to arrive at Hamilton Go at 11:40 by bus from Union Station, but I missed it, so it's already 12:49 p.m. But don't worry, no rush at all. Hamilton is known for historic downtown and many beautiful waterfalls, so we can enjoy both urban charm and nature in one trip. It sounds like a great place to explore, right? Okay, let's go! Wow, the voiceover lined up perfectly. Here is very beautiful, but many yabai people here. It's already lunchtime. I'm so hungry. Let's eat something first. Hello. Good. How are you? Just for myself, please.
Do you want to sit inside or outside?
Inside, please.
Is this table okay for you?
Yeah, perfect. Thank you.
Can I get you started with some water?
The draft beer, but I like lager.
Yeah, a lager.
Yeah. This one is not IPA, right?
No, the Pilsner, it's similar to a lager. It's nice.
Or,
Yeah? Okay. Good choice.
And I wanna try house sourdough.
Yeah.
So nice.
Beer for you.
Thank you.
And if you don't like it, let me know and I'll grab you the can of lager instead.
Oh,
but
thank you so much.
draft is obviously
Should be okay. Thank you. Cheers.
I like it.
Yes. Thank you. Delicious. I like cheese.
All here. And right now we do have a bottle open that we're usually
think I want to try the special you said.
Yeah, the
this one,
vermicelli.
yeah.
Okay, awesome.
Thank you.
It's fun, yeah. Usually we don't serve it by
Yeah.
the glass, but someone opened it, so we're like, all right,
Lucky
finish
me.
it.
Yeah. So my next destination is nature.
Okay, bye.
So I'm heading to Tiffany Falls. I came here by Uber and just walking the trail like 5 to 10 minutes. Some nature here. This smell. I like the bleach like this. I think I'm almost there. Amazing. すごいね。めっちゃ綺麗やん。You wanna see? I just remembered my childhood. I grew up with the nature like this. I got so much energy from the nature. I'm back. Hello. So cute. Can I get a cold brew and one of the drinks? Yeah.
Silence grows louder in the noise we make. Shadows stretch long where footsteps fade. We build castles of sand on a shore that would break. Now all that remains is the echo of it. And though the world spins faster than ever before, I'll find my way back through the open door. Strong as it's home. Tender like dawn's first light, watching you breathe.
Oh, hungry. ちょっと待って、ちょっと待って。I got this for myself. This one for my baby Tsukuchi. This is for you. Tuku-chan, this is for you や。He doesn't care. ほら、かわいいティータオルでしょ。
これでご飯食べる？
Stars blink above us like old friends we've known, telling stories of dreams that have grown. And the moon paints silver paths on the river stone, guiding us
美味しいかい？
to